Ms. Janet Ouko, who is here with us, resume the office of the County Executive Committee member for Education, Youth Affairs, Gender, Sports and Culture. Ms. Lucia Mulwa is reassigned to Agriculture, Fisheries and Livestock Development Sector. 3. Mr. Jarius Musumba, is he around? Jarius Musumba is appointed as Acting County Secretary. Paul Mutungi is appointed as a Chief of Staff. And Brian Weke, who is also here, is appointed legal advisor in the office of the Governor. I will be communicating more changes in the due course. But in the meantime, I also want to thank my brother, who was the acting county secretary, Mr. Kadenge. He's an officer. He has worked with the county for long, and I will be requiring his services. It's only that now we are doing a few realignment.